Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to use Claude AI. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. Claude AI is an artificial intelligence which is similar to ChatGPT. But Claude AI differs with ChatGPT in many ways, such as it has more input source than ChatGPT. Claude AI is also great at handling chunks of informations and focuses on the ethics and accuracy of the information. So firstly, go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type down claude.ai and then hit the enter button. After that, you'll be redirected to a page interface something like this. In this page, you'll have to type down your email address and continue with email if you have previously done that, or you can continue with Google by tapping on continue with Google if you have previously done that. I previously created a Claude account via my email, so I'm going ahead and typing down my email. After that, hit the continue with email button just below it. Then you'll have to provide in your login code that Claude has sent to your email. After you find that login code, go ahead and type down that login code and click the continue with login code button. After that, within a matter of seconds, you'll be redirected to your Claude.ai homepage. In the middle of the screen, you can see start your first message with Claude written. To start a chat with Claude AI, you can simply click on Start a New Chat on the right side of this box and you will be redirected to a page something like this. So I'm basically starting the chat with Hi. Claude writes, Hello, my name is Claude as a reply. So I'm going ahead and typing down the question, what is the world's highest mountain? And Claude.ai is responding back immediately. Now in the message Claude box, you can see an attach icon besides the send icon. You can go ahead and put the cursor in it and you can see that you can send maximum of 5 files in this attach icon. You can send files such as PDF, TXT, CSV and others as well. Go ahead and tap on that icon and a window like this will appear on your screen. Randomly put any file you want. So go ahead and tap on a PDF or any file you want and tap on open. Now let's send it to Claude without telling anything and see what Claude has to say. As you can see that Claude AI has a lot to say without even asking anything. Now you can ask Claude.ai to do whatever you want to do to your PDF or file that you've sent. So in the chat box, I've asked Claude AI to sum up the PDF I just sent. So within no time, Claude AI has already started to sum up my PDF. As I've already said that we can maximum send up to 5 files and Claude will process the way you want within no time. Now let's go back to our Claude homepage. In this page, in the right upper corner of your screen, you can see an icon with your initials on it. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking on that, a menu like this will pop up. In this menu, you can see the option of account settings in the first option. Go ahead and click on account settings. Then you'll be redirected to another page where you can see your full name and what should we call you. In this page, you can simply change the name by typing down the new name you want to put. So after that, just change the name by typing down the new name, and if you also want to change what should we call you by the name, then go ahead and change that too. Then after you're done, go ahead and click on update profile on the right lower corner of your screen. After that, your name will be successfully changed in your Claude.ai account. In the right upper corner of your screen, you can see account info updated menu appearing. So on the same page below profile, you can see a billing option. Click on that billing option. Clicking on that billing option, you can see a menu like this popping on your screen. You can see a subscribe now just below get 5x more usage with Claude Pro. So if you want to subscribe to Claude Pro, you'll have to go ahead and click on subscribe now. Clicking on subscribe now, you'll have to do furthermore procedures to subscribe to Claude Pro. Subscribing to Claude Pro, you will level up your Claude 2 usage. Priority will be given to you in high traffic periods and early access to new features. If you want to know more about subscribing to Claude Pro, you can go ahead and check our other videos of Claude Pro. So all in all, this is how you use Claude AI. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.